Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by capturing what matters. Record your primary voice track first, then lock the picture. Once done, capture your screen or camera footage in 16:9 at 3060 fps and record audio at 48K HZ. Make sure to collect B-roll and a short intro clip so edits are flexible. Record a backup take and name files consistently. This prevents confusion later. I want you to label the narrator track clearly and move it into a project folder before you open your editor. You now build the timeline around your narrator. Start by placing the voice track on its own dedicated track and trim breathing dips. Once placed, snap visual clips to the spoken cues so visuals match explanation. Make sure to use crossfades for natural audio and hard cuts where pace needs punch. Add B-roll of 3-5 seconds to cover transitions and use music at -18 dB under speech so it supports, not competes. Adjust pacing until sentences and visuals feel synchronized and clear. You finish by mixing and exporting for delivery. First, equalize the narrator so speech sits forward. Aim for peaks around -6 to -3 dB and set music 12-18 dB lower. Once done, normalize to -24 LUFS for broadcast-style consistency, then export H. 264 at 1920x 1080 with an 812 Mbps bitrate. Make sure to bake captions or export a caption file. If audio glitches appear,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.